How can I shrink my jersey size?
Hello everyone! Have you ever ended up with a jersey that's just a little too big? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're going to look at how you can shrink your jersey size at home using items you already have in your laundry room.
Is it safe to shrink my jersey?
First, we need to check whether it's safe to attempt to shrink your jersey. This depends on the material of your jersey. Generally, natural fibers like cotton can be shrunk more easily than synthetic fibers. Check the tag on your jersey to see what it's made of.
Preparing your jersey.
Before you begin the shrinking process, make sure to clean your jersey. Any stains or dirt on the jersey can set in during the process and become more difficult to remove later.
Shrinking your jersey.
Now, let's dive into the shrinking process. 1. Fill a basin or sink with hot water. The heat is what will cause the fibers of your jersey to contract and thus shrink. 2. Submerge your jersey in the water. Make sure the entire jersey gets wet. Let it soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. 3. Remove the jersey and squeeze out excess water. Be gentle here. You don't want to stretch the fibers. 4. Transfer your jersey to the dryer. Set your dryer to a high heat setting and dry your jersey until it's completely dry.
Checking the results.
Once your jersey is dry, try it on and check the fit. If it's still too big, you can repeat the process. But remember, every time you do this, you risk damaging the fibers of your jersey. It's always better to err on the side of caution and take it slow. And that's it. With these easy steps, you can shrink your jersey size right at home. Remember to be careful with the heat settings and always check the results before repeating the process. We hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching and happy shrinking!